This video isn't financial advice, and Will is not your financial guru, so make sure to do your own due diligence. And now, let's begin.
Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Will. I want to give you an update on Jonny Blockchain, my progress during this week, and the evolution of my account in the last 2 months. The market went down, Bitcoin dropped almost an 8%, right behind all the altcoins, and the meme coins went down. But even in that type of conditions, Jonny Blockchain was able to make profits. Up until today, this bot has generated over 93,000 in passive profits. We still have a 98% rate on positive trades. And if I show you inside my account, last week I made a video talking about my first 1,000 in profits thanks to Jonny Blockchain. I think the first 1,000 is the hardest, because now my account is growing super fast. Now my total profit is sitting in 1,668, 1,374 in the last 30 days. Only in the last 7 days, 574. In the last 24 hours, Jonny Blockchain produced for me 118 USDT. Obviously, all of these results are not the same for all the users. Some others are having higher returns, some others are having lower returns. But in general, when you go to the open Telegram group, you can see that everyone is giving a great feedback. The results always depends of the capital, the timing, the fluctuation of the coin, the initial lot size, which is also very important. I talked about this in my previous video. I also went in depth about all my portfolio, all the coins. In that video, I started a bot just to show you the settings and how is the whole process. If you want to take a look at that, I'm going to put that video right here in the top corner. I still having the same coins. The only difference right now, the only addition that I have this week was this token called AMP. I put 520 there. I started only 3 days ago with this one. Something that is kind of a pattern, and I say this because I can see it with my portfolio. Coins with more volatility are going to perform better. And I think during this season, especially during the bull run, that's the perfect time to play with those risky tokens. After the bull run, probably it's a good idea to go back to the more established tokens, those ones in the top 10, backed up by software, big liquidity pools, or security protocols. That's exactly what I'm going to do after the bull run. The good thing about Jonny Blockchain is that we have some sort of guidance about the tokens that are performing well. We just need to go to trends. You can see what's going on in the last 24 hours, 7 days, 30 days. If I organize those by total ROI, let me show you. This is one of the best, AGIX, with a total ROI of over 23,000%. That's absolutely insane. And only in the last 24 hours, a 382%. CFX is doing really well. Is been doing fantastic in the last couple of weeks. Pepe, which is one of those meme coins that I wasn't really sure at the beginning. I have one bot with Pepe, and that one is doing really good. I have it right here, 200% on this one. Flocky, another one that I didn't expect to have a big evolution. It's sitting right now in 234% in profits. Beam, 100%. Rate, 220. And the majority of those crazy numbers are coming from the most volatile tokens, 350%. Again, this is to me the best option that we have right now in this space. If you are completely new, but you don't know where to get started, right here they are telling you, or they are giving you the best options to do that. The bot is super profitable, and on top of this is super secure because we have always full control of our capital. Another one that I like is EasyBot. That one is also doing really good. I start EasyBot at the same time with Jonny Blockchain. In 2 months, I have a total return of 1,316, 951 in the last 30 days, 341 in the last 7 days. But this bot plays very safe. The options we have here are less volatile, very secure, but also very conservative numbers. I have over 10,000 right here actively trading. I have full control of my capital. But if I have to make a comparison between these two, I will put Jonny Blockchain in the first place. Aside from just being a friendly use, profitable and secure, it's also very affordable. We only pay 25 USDT for a license that is going to cover 1 year, and you can run as many bots as you want. There is a service fee. We need to pay this weekly. They will charge a 25% over our profits, which is absolutely fair. We can cover that with the profits that we generate here. This is the total profit, and there is the 25 that I need to pay to Jonny Blockchain. To me, that's fine, because if you compare this to other opportunities in the market, you will find super expensive subscriptions. Some of those bots are not very active, probably not as profitable as Jonny Blockchain, but Jonny knows what to do. It's like never stops. We can use it with our MetaMask wallet or with our Binance account. They have videos right here to show you the whole process. I'm also very open about my strategy. I'm showing my results. One of the most solid opportunities this year. If you have more questions about this, if you want to know how to get started, you can find me on my open Telegram group. I will be happy to help you. There is also an open Telegram community right here. Just clicking this icon to have access. And that's all that I want to show you today. Jonny Blockchain keeps doing a great job, keeps delivering even when the market goes down. And I'm sure if you are here already, you are having similar or better results thanks to this tool. Thank you so much for sticking here until the end. Before we go, I want to invite you to like, subscribe, and share. And I'll be back here to show you my progress and my earnings inside Jonny Blockchain. Have a wonderful day. My name is Will, the crypto leader from Leaders Road. I'll see you around.